Hi everyone, today we're going to get started on a new unit. So, don't forget to put your name and the date. And this new unit is going to be focused on rational numbers. So, we're going to start out by saying our essential question. I can identify positive and negative numbers on a number line and in real world situations. So, let's look at these number lines first. Let's pay attention to this one right here. Look at what this number line starts with. That number line starts with a 0. Now let's look at this one. This one also starts with a 0. So the 0, or the origin, is where that number line starts. So these number lines begin with the 0. All right, origin. Just like a graph. Now let's look at their ending points. On this first one, the ending point is a 10. On this one, this ending point is also a 10. So both of these number lines begin with 0 and end with 10. So, do these values increase or decrease if we move further to the right of the 0 on the horizontal line? So the horizontal, I always like to rewrite that. Horizontal is this way. It's like the horizon, right? Straight across. So looking at this one, do the values increase or decrease as we go further to the right? They increase, right? Because they go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm just going to highlight that one. They increase. Okay. So now let's look at the next one. Do the values increase or decrease when moving further to the right of the 0 on the vertical line? And vertical is when we go up and down. Okay? So on the vertical line, so this one right here, do the values increase or decrease as we move further to the right? So when we're talking about further to the right, we have to think about a person standing here. Okay. And so further to the right for them would be going this way, be like going up. So that being said, if the person is looking this way, then the values are going from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're increasing, right? So I'm going to highlight that the values increase as we move to the right of 0 on a vertical line. So a set of whole numbers and their opposites are called integers. Some examples of opposite numbers are 3 and -3. You could do -4 and 4. You could say 6 and -6. You can really say any number and its negative and the negative of that number. There's many options. That says etc. But something interesting is if we look at a number line, we know that you can't have 0 and -0, right? So 0 is its own opposite.